How to sync Google Chrome bookmarks. Want your bookmarks on every device? Let's sync Google Chrome bookmarks step by step. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome, sign into Chrome. Click the profile icon in the top right corner and sign in with your Google account. Now from here, click on this three dots at the top right, and then from here, select settings. And then once you're in here, go ahead and look for you and Google. Now from here, go ahead and select Sync. So go to Settings, then Sync and Google Services. This is where you control what gets synced. Another thing you can do is to enable bookmark sync. So click Manage what you sync, then toggle bookmarks on. You can choose to sync everything or just bookmarks. Fourth, sync across devices. So sign in with the same Google account on your mobile device, and Chrome will automatically sync bookmarks across them. And that is how to sync Google Chrome bookmarks.